Quick question. Does your screen protector look anything like mine with maybe it cracking, maybe you've got some chips in it, and you want to take on the task of replacing it with a brand new screen protector? If that is you, then you are in the right place. Hey everyone, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Audrey, and my brother Ben and I are on a mission to help seniors everywhere rock technology by making these easy to follow along and understand video tutorials just like this one. So if this video helps you in any way, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button along with that bell notification. As I mentioned, my screen protector desperately needed to be changed out. And so my brother had mentioned that he had done one where it actually guided you along and it was super simple to use. So it's by DefenSlim. It is a glass perfect fit screen protector, and there are two of them in here. I'll leave a link in the description below this video to this company because they offer all types of screen protectors. Now, what came in this box? I had the number 2 screen protector. I got this really cool cleaning aid kit that actually has it like a number 1, number 2, and number 3. It really is super easy to follow. And then I got the plastic device that you're gonna put over your phone. Now, this is the one thing I want to note before you even start doing this. When you take this white foam piece off, the screen protector is already going to be in there. So your first screen protector is already placed within here. I'm going to show you how it all went together. It was super simple, and I have on my phone a brand new screen protector that has no bubbles. So let's jump in and I'll show you the steps that I took to get this new screen protector on. Get our phone over here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just to remove the case that I have on my phone. So we're gonna remove the case. All right, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn my phone off so that I can work with it. So I'm just gonna hold both of those. We're gonna go ahead and slide power off. All right, so now it is off. I'm just gonna use my business card for social media for beginners. And so just setting that under there, yeah, like I said, I don't know if you could see it, but it's actually lifting. Get it under that screen. Okay, and I did a lot of damage on this phone. So we're gonna go ahead, and it's coming up really easy. There we go, it is off. Now I can go ahead and remove it. Just so you know, this guide, plastic guide that comes with it, when you remove this white foam, you can see that it already has the tempered glass in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean the glass with this cleaning kit aid right here. Let's clean that real quick. So clean the screen. I think I got it. And now the moment of truth. So I'm gonna remove this white. I saw a couple of people do this where they put the white on there. And once again, I'm just gonna make sure that I get all the dust, and we're all right. It does say on this back you want to remove this before placing it on there. So I'm going to remove, okay? I'm just removing this. And I'm gonna flip it. Hopefully it doesn't come off. And so make sure that the 2 is up top and this 3 removed from here. So we're gonna put that over the phone. I'm gonna press in the middle, and then I'm gonna press and slide up and press and slide down. Wow, it worked, y'all. That was super simple. Now I can turn back on my phone. All right. And now I just place my phone protector. I put it back on and now amazing. All right, so how did you do? Let me know in the comments section below this video. I'm really curious. When I took mine off, I thought there was a little bubble, but it didn't. I put it on perfectly fine. And now I've got my screen protector on there and it looks great. If this video helped, thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so you're notified every time we put up one of these videos. Until next video, y'all be blessed.